Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Okay, so the rooster is going to give a little bath in liver of sulfur. Now, when I first was educated about liver of sulfur, I didn't know that it was a liquid and a solid form. So that's the stuff I got. So all I do is just heat up some, just tap hot water and let it soak and stir it around a whole bunch until it's done. This is just simply baking soda and red water. So I'm going to toss this in there, and I don't mix mine really strong, so because I like the blues and the coppers and sometimes oranges and greens that come from it. So yeah, we'll get this happening. How about right now? And that's what it takes. And I will pop in and out as the process comes along. Yeah, maybe 5 or 10 minutes even. You mix it strong enough and it turns everything black in a hurry. So, okay. All right, now we're just now starting to see some, maybe copperish tones coming in from that. There we go. And it's been about 10 minutes. Like I said, I don't mix this stuff real strong because I do like those other hues, but there we go. Now, what I've noticed over the years is that as this process happens, very little for a few minutes. I guess I'm like 15 minutes into this. But you can now see some really nice luster coming into the piece. So we're just gonna keep dunking and swizzling, just to have something to do while sitting here. It's all in whoever's eye is doing this. There's no rules. It goes from, see, now it's a little bit, even a little bit more. Well, here we go. I will continue to dunk, and yeah, you can continue to wait. All right. Well, see? Now it's just about where I want it. I don't know how many black and white roosters you know of, but I think we're just going to give this another 5 minutes maybe, and it's been just a little over half an hour. So I'm just going to continue this, and the next time you'll see it, it will be going for a bath in soda. Certainly not a thing to be in a hurry about. So, see you soon. All right. So I think I've got to the point that I like. And it's taken, like I said, a little over half an hour, but here we go. Let's see. Now I am going to just give it a quick dip in here. Stop the reaction. And the next time you see me will be after I give it a little rubbing and loving and hugging from a piece of 3000 grit sandpaper. So, see you then. All right, folks. Well, $1,200 sandpaper. Like I said, don't start using whole sheets because it's just a weight. So I've just given it a little leaven, and here it is so far. But I'm gonna use a little bit more here, and this is 1200, and I will eventually go to 300, and then just give it a little leaven, and of course, there we go. I will always be in love with that lady. But we're cool, you know? Okay, let me work on this thing for a little bit, and I'll be back. All right now. Well, there you go, Brenda. My love. I hope you can show and appreciate this for as many years as we have loved each other. It really was a nice piece to work on. The finish was taken down to 3000 on the highlights, and should be just behind the background. So anytime you want to bring up the highlights, just give it a little rubbing and loving from a piece of 3000 grit sandpaper, and it'll look just like this, or maybe even a little bit better. So there you go, folks. This was a blast to do this one. Okay, onward, eh? Take care now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comments are the big ones for me. You know, I just really, really love your visits and your oh, I did that upside down too. Kind of dumb, huh? This is with all my heart. There you go. Thanks, guys. See you next round. Bye.